Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So let us start, and I will ask everyone to please mute yourself, please. So that will be helpful for us. Okay. Okay. Is the screen visible? Samiksha, Pooja, Miss Samiksha and Pooja, is the screen visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Shubhankar.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. This is Shubhankar Adhikari, and we are here on behalf of Excel Education with association with Jagataran Girls Degree College as your all students here. And we today will be discussing about the beyond the obvious. What the topic is all about? The topic is all about that during this COVID situation, the COVID has hit us quite around December, and all the lockdowns have been started. We have been facing this lockdown around what I say from 24th March, and we have been seeing that the companies are closed and people are doing work from home, and everything is going online. So being in an undergraduate course, what should we do? How the thing should be processed? How we should prepare ourselves? Being an undergraduate, what can be our preparation that we should be taking to take up a good job? Or else to say, if we want, is it good to take up a master degree? Is it fruitful for us? So we will be discussing on that part. So first of all, introducing Miss Pooja Pandey. Miss Pooja Pandey has done her undergraduate in BCom accounts, and she completed her PGDM in finance. And rest of the thing, Pooja will be introducing herself. I'll give a brief introduction because let it be an interactive session. Second of all, we have Samiksha Kapoor. She has done her BBA in finance and also completed her PGDM in finance background. And I have done my BTech in engineering, that is in software engineering, and completed my PGDM in business analytics. So today our topic will be beyond the obvious, and this kind of topics we will be discussing about that what are the current job scenarios in India, what we have, what we should do, then what are the changing job dynamics in this COVID situation. As I spoke of to you, what are the basic skills we can turn up to, the career after graduation which you guys can take up, and what is the relevance of MBA and various jobs, and about the average salaries, the the nitty-gritties of MBA. So let me hand it over to Pooja. So Pooja, please take over. I'll request Pooja to take.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Shubhankar. A very bright and cheerful morning to everyone present here. And I would like to first thank you all for sparing a Sunday and coming and attending this webinar. It really means a lot. Shubhankar,
Yes, I've given you the control, please. Go ahead.
yes. Okay. So coming with the first topic, which is job scenario in India. So in order to know where we are heading in future, first we should know what is the present situation which is surrounding us. So as you can see, the first point, the employment rate was highest since 2016, around 23.4% in April, just after the lockdown was announced. After that, we saw a great hike in the rate of employment, which was around 23.4%. Now, it has been reduced to 11% in June 2020, but starting was from 23.4. And roughly around 50 million people might have lost their job just in 2 weeks after the lockdown. So 50 million comes around 5 crore. So it is a very huge number in India to having lost their jobs in this crucial time of COVID-19 situation. And here are the 3 points which I think was the main reason and why there was a hike in the increase in employment rate. So first was slacking people. So employees were getting laid off, and they were from the companies, because the resources were less, companies unable to generate profit. So how will they be able to give salaries to their employees? So first thing that the company did was they started laying off the people. They started downsizing their employment size so that only few people can work, and the resources which companies have, they can utilize it properly. Second was giving the employees leave without pay. So they were telling the employees to take leave, but in that leave duration they won't be able to pay the employees because they themselves don't have profit, or they themselves don't have that much money to pay the employees. So so it is kind of unemployment only. You are still in the company but you are not getting paid for that. So that was one. Third is, I have this message that my voice is echoing. Is it like that? Hello, Shubhankar?
No, you're quite good to go, I guess. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I also saw. Yeah, you just go ahead.
Okay, so the third point, coming to the third point, slashing salaries as much as 85%. Most of the companies, they tried to retain their employees, but still they tried to cut down their salary part. Mostly this happened in the marketing sector. In every sector it happened, but the hardest hit was for the marketing people, because they work on a commission basis, right? So they have a target. If you fulfill that target, then only you will get paid. So they have a fixed portion, and then they have a extra variance portion. That's why, so suppose you are getting 50,000 rupees, you have a salary of 50,000 rupees, but now the company is told that you will only get 20,000 or 15,000 of the total amount, because they, all of these companies used to give the same reason that there is COVID situation and we can't do anything about it. So these are the three, this is the current job scenario, and were the three decisions that the company took from March end. Shubhanga, can you just change the slide? I think from my side it's a little bit problematic. Okay, so this is the statistical figure. You can hear whatever I discussed in the previous slide. This is the slide which is depicting actually what happened. So you can see the hike. You can see in June, July 19, what was the employment rate? It was like 7.3, then 8.1, 7.6. And suddenly you can see a hike in April and March, April and May time, 23.5%. And now after the lockdown got relaxed little bit in the month of June, so when the shops started opening and business got resumed, after that the employment rate decreased to 11%, as you can see in the last histogram. So this was the overall unemployment situation, and right now also the scene is not very good enough, but still we are trying to cope up with it. Next slide. Okay, now coming to the sectors and businesses impacted due to COVID-19. We all know what the situation is going right now and how much severe it is. Still, many sectors are being affected, even though they have resumed their businesses. So I will first talk about the sectors which did not got affected due to COVID. First is IT sector. As you know that work from home is going on for IT sector, and it is they tried to cope up with this situation through their work from home technique. So they were not that much, they did not got that much affected due to it, and they were able to continue their operations throughout the lockdown and even now also. And many companies still, they are thinking of continuing this work down till this like December, January. That is the first sector. Second is health sector. You know, this all sanitizers are booming, masks, and people are going to the hospitals for COVID. All the patients are there. So health sector also got a boom in this situation. Third, coming to e-commerce, Zomato, Amazon, everyone, they had a very good chance because now people are not going out and they are stuck at their homes. So it was a very great opportunity for e-commerce platform to boom in this situation. Telecom sector also, like all the data packs, and we are totally working from home using internet. We are doing all that. So it got beneficial for the telecom sectors as well. OTT platforms, we always are hooked to our Netflix and Amazon Prime. We are watching so many videos platform. So it also got a boom during this time. Logistics and the supply chain, that is also part of e-commerce. Like as soon as e-commerce is booming. So in relation to that, logistics and supply chain also were the one of the sector which boomed. Coming to the affected sector, so the highest hit of any sector was aviation sector. After the lockdown, the aeroplane business was in a doom and they stopped their operations. Now also they are operating, but they are not operating in their full capacity. So only 30 or 40% of the total occupancy is there in the airplanes also. So that this is the first sector. Second is banking. Many of the banks, they stopped providing loans and they stopped the disbursement of loan process. They only are into collections right now, and that's why many of the people are not able to avail loan. Those who have availed loan, how are they going to pay their EMI? So there was a lot of disruption in this sector. Automobiles from previous year 2019, it started having a degrade, and still now also they are struggling with it. These are the three sectors, and rest of the sectors are also traveling. Nobody is now traveling anywhere. Everybody is avoiding to travel to other countries or even states. So all these are because of this COVID situation. All these sectors, construction and retail, construction and real estate, retail, all these are the overall sectors which got affected. Next slide, Shubhankar. Okay, now the top 15 emerging jobs. So according to a LinkedIn report of 2020, these are the top 16 jobs that are going to take over in the future. Like these are the only type of job profile you will be seeing in the future. I know many of these, if you go through it, you can see that many of the jobs are like very technical based. But now, like, technology and technology is going to be the main whole and soul of any job which is going to happen in future or right now also. So you can see blockchain developer, AI analyst, JavaScript developer. These are fancy names, but overall, as you can see, it is all like technology based. But in this also, if you see the highlight yellow portions, okay, so these kind of jobs are non-technical based. Coming to growth manager, or you can see customer success specialist, digital marketing specialist, lead generation specialist. So I won't go into the technical part. I will just be discussing these 4 points which are more into management side of the business. And also, it's okay if you don't know the technical things. There's one saying that if you're not good at something, just grab a person or just make somebody else do the work who is good at it. So your management skill should be such that even if you don't know something, don't know what job you have to, you have that instinct to make another person do your job. I'm sorry, I think there was some network issue. Shubhankar, I can't see the screen. Hello?
Are you able to see now?
No.
Hello. Okay, just a minute.
else able to see, or is it just me?
No, ma'am.
We can see, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay, let me
Now?
just rejoin 1 second.
Yeah. No, you just, disconnect your internet and join. That will be enough.
मैम बहुत नेटवर्क का इशू है.
Sorry, guys, just a minute. Pooja is joining. Just a minute. Yeah. I guess Pooja is here. Pooja, you there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry
Okay.
for the disruption, everyone.
Yeah, sure. It's okay. You just go ahead. Yeah.
Why? Yes. Now I can see the screen.
Okay.
Okay, one fun, not fun fact, but India, like according to LinkedIn, India is the third largest ranked third largest among the AI skills. So in India, people are developing their AI skills a lot, and it is the third leading country in AI skills. Coming to growth manager, okay. Shubhanga, can you go to the next slide? Okay, no, go to the previous one. Okay. Hello, Shubhankar?
Yeah, just check it out.
1 second.
Pooja, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So see, this growth manager, consumer success specialist, digital marketing specialist, and lead generation specialist. These are your non-technical skills, and these are mainly focused in the management area of the hierarchy. So growth manager and all these type of skills are mainly in like all sectors. If you take marketing, if you take finance or HR operations, you need these type of people to work in these areas, right? So it requires your various skills that I will be talking in the next slide, and these are the main. I just want you to have a look of these type of jobs because it might be very new for all of you. Okay, somebody's telling me to make it in Hindi also. Okay, first of all, okay, Hindi में भी बोलो. We know Hindi, but abhi just we are trying to give you an overall view. If you are not comfortable, we can little bit switch in Hindi also, but the
Yes,
whole
Pooja,
presentation is going to be in English.
We can make it bilingual, right, Pooja? You can just, make some
we
bilingual.
can do that. But I want you guys to have a command, like you need to listen to everything in English. If you are not comfortable, you can ask me to repeat it in Hindi. I don't have any problem, okay? So, in the end, if you have any doubt regarding these specific specialized jobs, I can give more information about it, but I will just move to the next slide. Just have a look of this 16 job profile. So the highlighted portion are the non-technical portion, okay? And the other things, you need a technical specialization in that. And if you have any doubt, just write your doubts, write your question, whatever you have. Shubhankar, next slide. Okay, now coming to the skills that are required for the jobs which you previously saw. There are two types of skill basically. So first is hard skill or your technical skill. Second is soft skill. Right. So a technical skill will be whatever you are learning, whatever academic knowledge or background that you will come from and you will have. First will be that. Second is soft skill. Coming in management area or working for a management, like the whole company, whatever you see, all the companies in the world in India, all are based on management, right? Managing people, managing everyone. So this soft skill should be a very integral part of your life. So coming in, I will not go in the technical part. That depends on your what type of interest you have and which field you want to go in. That will be your technical knowledge. But the thing that you can upskill yourself in and make it an integral part is the soft skill. Because we think that we have soft skill, we are good in this and that, but finally when you get into a bunch of people, you go into a company, you will see that there is a ओके ठीक है, हिंदी में बोलना है, आई विल स्टार्ट इन हिंदी, ठीक है? तो स्किल तो दो तरह के होते हैं, यू गॉट टू नो दिस, ठीक है? पहला है टेक्निकल, जो कि तुम्हारा मेन, जिसमें तुम जहाँ पे जाओगे जॉब करने, वहां पे तुमको जो सिखाया जाएगा, जिसमें तुम काम करोगे, मेन जॉब तुम्हारा यही होगा, दैट इज टेक्निकल स्किल. सॉफ्ट स्किल इज बहुत डिफरेंट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होते हैं. many things we know, many things we don't know. यहाँ पे मैंने बस बहुत कम सॉफ्ट स्किल यहाँ पे पॉइंट आउट किया है, इससे भी ज्यादा सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होते हैं. तो जितना तुम्हें सॉफ्ट स्किल तुम्हारे अंदर होगा उतना तुम्हारे लिए बेहतर होगा. ओके, आई विल नॉट सी द मैसेजेस नाउ बिकॉज इट्स डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग मी. तो पहला है इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, ठीक है? आई विल टेल इट इन अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. अगर तुम कोई मूवी देख रहे हो और उसमें कोई सैड सीन चल रहा है और तुम रो दिए, ठीक है, इसका मतलब तुम एक इमोशनल इंसान हो. ओके, तो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस क्या होता है कि तुम सामने वाले को रिलेट, सामने वाले के जो भी दुख या फिर सुख या फिर जो भी बोलो, तुम उससे रिलेट कर सकते हो सामने वाले से, राइट? तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. हमें लगता है कि ये बहुत इजी, सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, इट इज वेरी इजी टू लिसन एंड थिंक कि अरे मैं तो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन हूँ, बट नहीं होता है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि तुम दुखी हो जा रहे हो, सामने वाला दुखी हो रहा है, तो इट्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ उसको समझना, ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द पर्सन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड पुटिंग योरसेल्फ इन देयर शूज एंड देन ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन. एम्पथाइज करना किसी के साथ, सिंपैथी नहीं देना, एम्पथाइज करना, मतलब वन टू वन कनेक्शन होना किसी के साथ. दैट इज, ऐसे ये कोई इनहेरेंट नहीं होता, अपने अंदर नहीं रहता है, इसको डेवलप करना पड़ता है. तो दीज ऑल स्किल, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, एवरीबडी ऑफ यू नो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कितना जरूरी है. एंड माइंड यू, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इज नॉट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश. कभी मत सोचना कि कम्युनिकेशन मतलब मस्त फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश बोलना, ऐसा कुछ होता ही नहीं है. कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स जो तुम बोलना चाहते हो, सामने वाला वो समझ पा रहा है कि नहीं. अभी यहाँ पे जैसे बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं हिंदी में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो. आई वॉज इन इंग्लिश, मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर रही हूँ, बट फिर कुछ लोग को नहीं कंफर्टेबल है, सो आई एम स्विचिंग इन हिंदी और मैं हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ. मेरा मोटिव क्या है कि मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ वो तुम्हें समझ में आए. मैंने जो भी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट के बारे में बताया, फिर मैंने जॉब्स के बारे में बताया कि ये सारे मेन जॉब्स होते हैं, अभी मैं ये चीज स्किल्स के बारे में बता रही हूँ, तो यू शुड बी एबल टू नो. सॉफ्ट स्किल मीन्स गॉड गिफ्टेड थिंग्स. नो नो नो, नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. गॉड गिफ्ट तो पहली बात कुछ होता है नहीं है, ठीक है? एवरी वन ऑफ अस आर बोर्न विद डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, डिफरेंट स्किल्स, ठीक है? तो ये मत कभी सोचना कि देखो मैंने यहाँ हेडिंग क्या डाली है, बेसिक स्किल रिक्वायर्ड कुछ कभी तब होता है जब तुम उसको प्रैक्टिस कर सको, राइट? तो ये सारे स्किल्स प्रैक्टिस करने पे यू कैन इजिली हैव अ गुड हैंड ओवर इन इट. लाइक गुड हैंड ओवर मेरा मतलब है कि तुम अच्छे से स्किल को अपने अंदर ग्रो मतलब प्रैक्टिस करके और बहुत सॉलिड बना के और अच्छे से इसके साथ तुम कंपनी में जाओगे तो यू विल बी अ वेरी गुड एम्प्लॉय, यू विल बी एबल टू अचीव वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव इन योर लाइफ. ठीक है. लीडरशिप स्किल सबसे जरूरी होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक every one of us are not a leader, wo I agree with, but still you can develop these type of different skills, right? Team building, मतलब team building में काम करना है एक दूसरे के साथ, तो अपने आप को read these skills, okay, and try to relate it कि तुम ये हो कि ये नहीं हो. अगर ये नहीं हो तो क्यों? अगर तुमको टीम में काम करना पसंद नहीं है, तुमको अकेले काम करना पसंद है, तो क्यों है ऐसा? नाउ नेगोशिएशन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. नेगोशिएशन में तो तुम कितना अच्छा हो मोल भाव करने में, ठीक है, विन विन सिचुएशन बनाने में, अपने तुम भी सही पोजीशन पे रहो, सामने वाला भी सही रहे, कोई किसी को हार्म ना करे, तो नेगोशिएट करना एक दूसरे से, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. ठीक है, ये एक बेसिक स्किल है, बट दिस स्किल plays a very important part in whatever role that you are going to take. मैंने एग्जांपल यहाँ दिया है. They should have a computer skill. Basic skills that you need. उसके बारे में more detailed version समीक्षा will tell you, but I am just trying to just point you out कि ये skill होने चाहिए इंसान के अंदर. Okay. So now over to you, Shubhankar. My part was till here only. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Pooja. आप लोग जैसे समझ सकते हैं कि till now हम लोग जा रहे थे कि how Pooja took you. हम लोग देखे कि what is basically required. हम लोगों को क्या basic skills या फिर क्या क्या job relevance या COVID की वजह से हुआ है. हम ये देख रहे थे कि how the dynamics is changing. अगर आप graduation तो करते हैं and if you are taking it to the next level of job description, तो what are the basic skills you may require. क्या क्या आपको चाहिए होगा. तो अभी आपको you will be addressed by समीक्षा कपूर and she will be taking you to the post grad part कि अगर हम अभी जॉब ना लेके अगर हम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करते हैं, if we do an MBA, अगर आप अपना स्पेशलाइजेशन में आप अगर करते हो कि आप अपना मास्टर्स करते हो, तो how things will work out for you, आपके लिए कैसे सब कुछ फ्रूटफुल होगा. So over to you, Samiksha.
Thank you, Shubhankar and Pooja, for this wonderful discussion about how the job dynamics are changing here. So before starting this next session, I would like to ask few of your questions. So just unmute yourself and just come online. And here is the question. So what one wants to pursue after your BCom? Has anyone planned something? क्या क्या करना चाहते हो बीकॉम के बाद या अपने डिग्री के बाद? नॉर्मली तुमने कुछ प्लान किया है? सो यू ऑल कैन कम अप एंड आंसर.
मैम यूपीएससी.
ओके, यूपीएससी.
मैम आई प्लान टू डू एमबीए.
ओके.
मैम आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू एमबीए इन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट.
नाइस, एमबीए इन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट. गुड. Anyone else? I have only got 3 participants here.
यूपीएससी मैम. यूपीएससी.
UPSC. And who is this? May I know their name?
Ma'am, MBA.
Okay. So let's continue further. So most of them wants to do MBA, UPSC, MBA in event management. So these are the various jobs that are available. So Shubhankar, can you turn on the screen? Okay. So I would like to say one thing here. Me as a student, I was a BBA student. So after BBA, I have done my, I had taken a 1 year of experience in eClerx as a financial analyst. So trust me, the pay the MBAs will get and the pay the post-graduation people will get is far better than the graduates people. But ultimately, it depends on all your skills and how you're going to develop. So the topics I'll be covering and I'll be discussing with you all here is the relevance of MBA, how it is helpful for your in the job dynamics that has Pooja explained and has discussed with you all. what are the basic skills that are going to be there that Pooja has already covered. I'll be covering it in depth little bit more, and how it will help you all to increase your salary and various basic specializations that are available in MBA. So here one thing, remember that after +2 graduation, we have this various courses that we have. Like, see, we have diploma in travel and tourism, we have diploma in hotel management, we have diploma in air hostess, BCom honors, BBA LLB, BBM, BCA, BCom, CA, ICWA. So you can see that these programs are developed in various like diploma, degree program and professional programs. So these are the careers that are required after your graduation, so that you all can develop yourself, you all can develop the basic skills that are required in the jobs. That gives you the basic idea how whole the industrial is that you will be learning in the प्रोग्राम. मतलब आपको बोलते हैं कि डिग्री में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, कहाँ पे जाना है, ये सब आपको बेसिक स्किल्स बताया होगा डिग्री में. सो ये हमें ये डिग्री में लेके जाते हैं. मतलब हमको ये बोलते हैं कि ये डिग्री करो, आपको जो भी अच्छा लगेगा आप वो कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Okay. So I was talking about many of us here want to pursue MBA. As I heard here. So let me come to the basic point why MBA is required and how it is useful. So the main funda of MBA is better management of personal finances. So when you are taking MBA as a post or as your degree or as a postgraduate, जब आप MBA ले रहे हो तो आपको आपके फाइनेंसेस कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हो, क्या कर सकते हो, उसका मतलब आप कैसे इन्वेस्ट, अगर आप MBA में इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो उसका रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट हमको क्या मिलेगा, हमको कैसे जॉब मिलेगा, वो फायदा होगा. आप आपको अपने आप को एक बेहतर पर्सन समझोगे. So that is why this MBA is relevant. इंक्रीज्ड क्रिएटिविटी मतलब जो आपका सिंपल वर्ड्स में जो आपका थिंकिंग पावर है, या जो आप कलाकार की तरह थिंक कर सकते हो, या मतलब आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो आप कैसे इम्प्रूव करोगे, वो आपको कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, कैसे अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, या आप कोई प्रॉब्लम में हो. सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर मैं एक चीज बताती हूँ. When I was experiencing this job before my MBA, I didn't know how to handle the problems because it was the first time for me. मुझे पहली बार मैं जॉब कर रही थी. I didn't know anything. That it was a first time corporate experience for me. So MBA discusses about how your thought process should be and where to apply, when to apply, and how to apply it. A re-energized career. रीएनर्जाइज्ड करियर मतलब अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद अगर जॉब करते हो तो हाँ, तो आपको कुछ साल तक आपको सैलरी मिलेगी, आपको कुछ साल तक वर्क एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, लेकिन क्या आपको प्रमोशन मिलेगा, क्या आपको वो ग्रोथ मिलेगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में? Will you all be able to grow in the organization with a specific qualification? No, right? So this MBA helps us to grow in the grow us in the different process and different sectors that are required. It re-energizes your career. आपके करियर को एक ब्रेक देता है, वो आपके करियर को एक लाइन पे लेके आता है MBA. नेटवर्किंग मतलब कॉन्टैक्ट्स बनाना, हम कैसे बात करते हैं, किससे बात करते हैं, अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स को लेके साथ में चलना, हम अपने आप को कैसे मतलब दूसरों के साथ बात करते हैं. So how we are going to connect with others, how we are going to network with others, and how we are going to build contacts. These building contacts will help you to grow in your organization and help you to communicate in various fields. Next, broader world view. Shubha, okay. Broader world view मतलब डिग्री में हम लोग अपने ककुन हेलो
Yes, you're audible,
okay
Samiksha, please.
so here डिग्री में क्या am I audible now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
okay सो डिग्री में क्या होता है हम लोग अपने ककुन्स में रहते हैं ककुन्स मतलब एक बच्चे की तरह पाला जाता है हमको एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता है वो मतलब जो डिग्री में बोलते हैं कि हाँ ये करो आपको ये फायदा होगा आपको ऐसे फायदा होगा सो वी आर बीइंग गिवन अ सर्टेन सेट ऑफ रूल्स एंड गाइडेंस बाय आवर फैकल्टीज बाय आवर पेरेंट्स हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू how we have to go through a different process so that we get the result but what happens in MBA or any master's degree is that you are not being spoon fed you're just given a problem or you're just being given a critical situation the industrial exposure that is there it will be given by MBA so that y'all can think y'all can process it y'all can come up with a solution there's no guidance they'll just give you the guidance they'll not spoon feed you that is why this MBA gives a broader worldview that will be helpful for y'all to expose in exposing yourself to the corporate world that is really very necessary better time management so इधर एक और क्वेश्चन आता है so how many of y'all sleep late in the night like around 2
Ma'am, me.
o'clock yes
Ma'am, me. At least 2 o'clock.
okay and how many of y'all sleep how many of y'all follow your time schedules and all y'all can raise your hands
Ma'am, not every time, but sometime I follow.
okay so that's what MBA gives you all better time management because we have various projects to handle being an MBA graduate so we are telling this situation how it is how this management takes place it gives you all you all will be having various assignments you all will be having industrial visits you all be having studies you all be having various events that you all have to attend plus you all have to help your faculties so in managing their activities also so y'all will be it will cause a chaos so this MBA helps y'all to manage better time so that is why you all have to think about how you're going to manage it then we have various specialization that I'll be discussing in the next slide. Then increase self confidence. It increases your self confidence. Develops advanced and flexible management skills that already Pooja has explained. So this MBA helps you to develop a various management skills that are necessary in your corporate world. Higher income. If you're there in graduation, you might not get a proper exposure and proper package, but MBA gives you a proper package and proper exposure in the corporate world. Shubhangu, can you go to the next slide, please? So basic skills that are required is persistency. You need to be determined about what you want to do in MBA and how you want to do. Improve yourself. You have to constantly improve yourself. You have to be consistent of what you're doing and how you're going to improvise every time. Suppose if you're good at managing, someone said event management, you plan something. So you how you're going to manage this time. Next time, what is the new thing that you're going to bring in for the event management people? Or you have to continuously improve. Focus. You shouldn't be distracted from one point. मतलब अपने आप को focus रखना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं ये करूँगी तो मैंने ये ठान लिया है तो मैं ये करके ही रहूँगी. I'll not back out. I'll not fear from the failure. If I focus on everything, then I can learn something new. So learning. Every time you'll be learning something. Every time you'll be learning something new. तो आप कुछ नया सीख सकते हो. So हर बार MBA में कुछ सीखने को नया मिलता है. प्लानिंग मतलब आप कैसे अच्छी तरह से प्रॉपरली स्ट्रेटेजाइज करते हो आप क्या करोगे कैसे करना है अगर एक काम लिया मैंने सपोज से मुझे एक इवेंट दिया हैंडल करने के लिए तो मैं कैसे प्लान करूंगी क्या करना है उसमें क्या रिसोर्सेज लगेंगे मुझे और how will I handle the situation and all. So this is teamwork. It will help you to build up a teamwork or you can manage your work with others and work in a team. Ideas. There are various ideas that are being So these ideas will be developed. You'll have a proper vision that is necessary, and leadership is the main thing that is required in MBA, because if you don't take leadership, then I think so, there is nothing relevance of MBA. So leadership is the main point that is required here. तो आप अपने आप को कैसे leader बनाओगे, आप handle करोगे situation को, अपने आप को और अपने team members को. So that is all these the basic skills that are required in MBA. Next slide, please. So should I pursue regular MBA or distance MBA? The one thing I would like to make it clear is it's better to go ahead with your regular MBA, because regular MBA gives you all industrial exposure, corporate experiences, and you all will be given various live assignments and all, so that it will help you all to develop yourself with the basic skills that are required in the corporate world. So I suggest you all go ahead with the regular MBA instead of distance MBA, because distance MBA is meant for the professionals who have taken their jobs after degree, but sometimes it will not give you the much expert exposure that is required for you all to develop yourself in the corporate world. Next slide, please. So specializations in MBA, we have very various wide range of specializations. मतलब बहुत सारे specializations है MBA में, like human resource है, finance है, operation management है, information technology है, data science है, entrepreneurship है, marketing है. But one thing I would like to clear is whether you're starting a company or not. आप company शुरू करो या नहीं, marketing, human resource, entrepreneurship, operation management, and finance, these are the 5 basic things that are required to start a company. इनके बिना company कुछ नहीं है. So that is why MBA here makes a best relevant, because this MBA will give you a proper and good exposure and good study about how human resource work, finance work, marketing कैसे काम करता है, operations कैसे काम करते हैं. So अगर आप MBA कर रहे हो तो MBA में बहुत सारे specializations है, तो आप उनमें से एक ये specialization चुन सकते हो अपने आप के लिए. आप देख सकते हो कि आप किस में बेहतर हो और वो specialization कर सकते हो. Shubhankar, can you go ahead, please? So various jobs in MBAs. Pooja has already come up with the various jobs that are there in the according to LinkedIn. Apart from that, these are the various jobs that are still available, like financial analyst, product development, investment banking, psychology, training and development. So these are the various jobs that you can opt after MBA, which will give you various exposure and various things, basic skills that are required after your corporate world, and helps you to develop and gives you a good career growth in your life, and a very good package that that is required. So you can go through these jobs. If you all have any doubts in this, you all can just note it down. We'll be having a Q&A session after this session. So next slide, please. So average salary of MBA, this graph might not be clear, but I would like to tell you all one website, that is www.glassdoor.com. I'll just write it here. So this, I've just written it in the chat here, that is the www.glassdoor.com, which will give you exposure to the various salary in the industry that are available according to the MBA students. So you can see that the basic MBA student in consulting, finance, healthcare, technology is up to like 1,33,000 and all. So that too in dollars. So this is the basic salary. See, after your MBA, what are your graduation? Depending on your experience, depending on your skills, depending on your average performances, depending on everything else, you will be given a proper package. But starting salary for MBA student is around 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs that is being given. I, as a MBA student, presently the package we are getting is really very good. Also it will help you to help you to grow in your career very well. So MBA, in all, MBA gives you all a total exposure that is necessary, that is there. It has a various specializations that are available, which will give you a proper in-depth analysis of the corporate world that is necessary. Plus also the relevance of MBA has become a very important situation after COVID-19, because many people have lost their jobs and people are looking something that will help them to grow in their future. So many of the people are opting for MBA that helps them to give a good start, whether it is an engineering student or whether it is a BSc student or whether it is a BCom student. Many of them are opting for MBA that is necessary for them to grow. So I'm handing over the mic to Shubhankar.
थैंक यू समीक्षा. तो हम लोग अपने सेशन के क्वाइट एंड पे है. हम लोग अब एक क्यूए सेशन करेंगे, बट पहले जस्ट टू समराइज कि हमने अभी तक क्या देखा. सो आई हैव बीन सीइंग दैट आप लोगों के पास बहुत क्वेश्चंस हैं. दैट्स गुड कि हमारा सेशन आई होप इंटरेक्टिव रहा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का एक छोटा सा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं कोट उन्होंने किया था कि ऑल बर्ड्स फाइंड शेल्टर ड्यूरिंग अ रेन, but eagles avoid rain by flying above the clouds. Simple thing is that कि अभी कोविड का सिचुएशन आया है. हमने देखा कि कैसे पूजा ने एक्सप्लेन किया आप लोगों को कि व्हाट आर द सिचुएशंस कैन बी. आप लोगों को जॉब रोल्स क्या मिल सकते हैं, और अगर वो नहीं हो तो अगर आप एमबीए के लिए जाते हैं, अगर हम एमबीए को एक तरीके से क्यों फोकस अप कर रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट ऑफ मैं शेयर स्क्रीन ऑफ कर रहा हूँ. हम लोग एमबीए की तरफ क्यों देख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एमबीए की तरफ इसलिए देख रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी मार्केट में पीपल आर मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल थिंकिंग ऑफ एमबीए. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने आप लोगों ने बोला भी कि आपको एमबीए देखना है, मतलब आपको एमबीए करना है. सो पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. तो इसीलिए, बट अदर देन दैट इफ यू हैव सम क्वेरीज हम लोग वो Q&A सेशन पे ले सकते हैं. फिनिशिंग इससे समरी इससे कर सकते हैं कि आप लोगों को बेसिक स्किल्स, मतलब आपका स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. हाँ, मार्केट में हिंदी, इंग्लिश, बंगाली कोई लैंग्वेज मैटर नहीं करता. कोई चीज वो इनबॉर्न नहीं होता. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड इनबॉर्न. बट क्या है कि हमारे ऑल ओवर द मार्केट आपका इंग्लिश इज अ कॉमन लैंग्वेज. सो आपको वो धीरे धीरे डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम अश्योर्ड दैट आपका कॉलेज के फैकल्टीज विल बी हेल्पिंग यू ऑन दैट. अदर देन दैट आपका खुद का अपना नॉलेज अबाउट योर फंडामेंटल्स. आप जो फंडामेंटल्स कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे जो नॉलेज आप गेन कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टू सी टू दैट ऑल्सो. आप लोगों को वो देखना पड़ेगा कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कैसा है. अल्टीमेटली द थिंग इज दैट कोविड सिचुएशन आया है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जॉब्स नहीं है. वी आर ऑल्सो हियर, वी आर डूइंग आवर जॉब्स. आफ्टर पीजीडीएम हम लोग पीजीडीएम के बाद कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को मिला है. सो इट इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आप लोग निश्चिंत होकर आराम से ये देख सकते हैं. So now we'll come up with the Q&A session. We have very less time, so जो आपके पास questions है आप लोग वीडियो पे आ सकते हैं, आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं, और जिसको पूछना है you can come up with the questions, please.
My question is, जब B.Ed नहीं कर सकते ग्रेजुएशन तक.
हेलो राशि, कैन यू बी थोड़ा सा आप लाउड हो सकते हैं प्लीज.
ओके सर. जब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे मैं ग्रेजुएशन अभी कर रही हूँ, इसके बाद B.Ed एक अच्छा नहीं है, मतलब कि आगे के लिए.
ये गलत आपका सोचने की अच्छा नहीं है. B.Ed आप कर सकते हैं. B.Ed में
I think
please go ahead.
after this whole season, I think if I want to do MBA, then I have.
अर्चना, आपका वॉइस कट गया. योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग.
आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन मतलब कर सकते हैं ना B.Ed.
राशि आपका
I would like to answer this.
Sure. राशि, please go ahead. समीक्षा, go ahead, please.
हाय राशि, मैं समीक्षा बोल रही हूँ. सो B.Ed करने की कोई B.Ed करने के लिए that it's not necessary that कोई अच्छा है या कोई बुरा है. It all depends on you कि तुम B.Ed करना चाहते हो तो करो, लेकिन उसमें करियर ऑप्शंस क्या है वो भी सर्च करो कि तुम अगर B.Ed कर रहे हो तो उसका पर्पस क्या है मेन. तो वो सर्च करो. That is the important thing. It's not necessary that MBA ही करना है, but MBA को हम एक relevance देते हैं. But B.Ed भी it's a good option. But why you want to do it and how you're going to do it and what is the main purpose that you are main focused on. And future में वो तुम्हें कहाँ ले जाएगा. That is the main purpose. Your yes,
my
please.
main focus is teaching. So I try to do B.Ed.
That's really very good option. That's really good career. You can go ahead with it.
Adding to Samiksha's point, Rashi, मेरी friend एक है, she is pursuing B.Ed. Okay. तो ऐसा कुछ she from starting जब हम B.Com साथ में करते थे, she had a very clear vision कि उसे B.Ed करना है. अभी she did CA बीच में, ठीक है, for a few duration उसने CA का course लिया था, but she did not feel connected to it, right? So उसने फिर उसे बाद में realize हुआ कि all she want to do is to teach people. तो तुम्हारे मन में क्या है, ठीक है, तुम एक बार बैठ के तुम सोचो कि व्हाट यू वांट टू रियली परस्यू आगे. अपने आप को तुम 5 साल बाद कहाँ देखती हो, तुम ये एक बार बैठ के सोचो कि तुमको आगे क्या करना है, देन यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ क्लियर विजन. और जो भी तुम चूज करती हो, इट इज नेवर राइट और रॉन्ग, ठीक है. तुम्हारे लिए वो सही है तो तुम्हारे लिए वो सही है. बाकी जो बोल रहे हैं लोग, उनकी बात मत सुनो. अगर तुम्हें B.Ed करना है परस्यू, तो यू
one question.
हाँ प्लीज.
one question. मैम मैं एजुकेशन से B.Ed करना चाहती हूँ, तो क्या ये सही रहेगा?
किससे?
मैम एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट से.
Education.
हाँ या राइट. उसमें डिफरेंट देखो, उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स होते हैं, राइट. सोशल साइंस हो गया या फिर अदर वेरियस टॉपिक्स होते हैं ना जिस पे यू कैन डू B.Ed. तो जो तुम्हें परस्यू करना है उसके बारे में अगर तुम और रिसर्च करो. सी वी आर MBA and BBA.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Now can you hear?
I can't hear your voice.
Hello. I think other people can hear. I think some network issue है.
Pooja is quite hearable. Yeah, we can hear you.
I would just like to add one point here. अगर भूख हो ना तो अपने आप रास्ते खुल जाते हैं. You can if you have that curiosity to learn, आपको आप learn करना अच्छा लगता है.
समीक्षा जो बोल रही है, सारे बच्चे जो इतने 986 people are here ना, ये सबके लिए है.
हाँ, तो अगर आपको भूख हो ना तो आप रास्ता कैसे भी निकाल लेते हो. Because अगर वो भूख नहीं है तो आप बोलोगे कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, अपने आप हो जाएगा. नहीं, कुछ भी अपने आप नहीं होगा इस दुनिया में. आपको हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा और आपको सर्च करना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या करना है. We were just here to give you all the guidance and we were just here to tell you all how this situation was. बाकी आप कैसे अपने आप को डेवलप करोगे वो अपने आप पर है. तो just maintain that curiosity to learn.
एंड एक चीज B.Ed करिए या फिर कोई भी सेक्टर में आप जाना चाहते हैं, दैट मे बी MBA, किसी भी हो सकता है. एक चीज याद रखिए कि देखिए कोविड सिचुएशन की वजह से आप लोग को एक चीज तो समझ में आ रहा है कि लोग, आपके घर वाले जो काम करते हैं, मैक्सिममली क्या कर रहे हैं, सब घर से बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, जिसे हम लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कहते हैं, राइट. तो बात क्या हो जा रहा है कि अल्टीमेटली अगर आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी करते हो तो आपको एक टेक्निकलिटी लाना पड़ेगा. आप अगर B.Ed भी करते हो तो आपको खुद को इस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा कि आप ऐसे वेबिनार के, मतलब ये जैसे चल रहा है तो इस तरीके से आपको क्लासरूम भी लेना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अभी वही न्यू नॉर्मल, जो कि एक टर्म आता है कि नॉर्मल चीज क्या थी, पहले हम कॉलेज जाते थे, क्लास जाते थे, टीचर्स आते थे और ऐसे करके पढ़ाया जाता था. बट अभी वो नहीं है. तो आप जिस भी सेक्टर में जाइए ना क्यों, आपको पहली बात ये तो याद रखना ही पड़ेगा कि आपका स्पीकिंग स्किल्स बोलिए, आपका उसमें पैशन बोलिए, आप कितना करना चाहते हैं, वो सही, वो आपका एकदम फोकस डेडिकेटेड. जैसे समीक्षा बोली कि जहाँ धूप, अगर आपका भूख है तो आप रास्ता खुद ही निकाल लेंगे, तो वो चिंता नहीं है. तो अल्टीमेटली ये जगह आ जाता है कि आपको टेक्निकल भी होना पड़ेगा. सो ये बात आप याद रखिएगा. सो वो जगह. Okay, so next question I have.
I am very happy to see many people want to do B.Ed. यार टीचिंग में सब जाना चाहते हैं. It's very nice, you know. मतलब बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स, quality of teacher in India, you guys know, everybody knows here. तो वो enhance करना, it's very good. I'm very happy seeing many people take
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
next
Thank you so
question.
much, ma'am.
Okay, so
you know
next question
कि
is,
हम we were also in the same position as
So
you
I
all are.
think your
तुम्हारे टाइम पे same, we also had confusion कि हमें
Tare
क्या
has some
लेना
question
चाहिए.
here.
okay, so
Yes,
next question we have from Bhumi Anand that hello ma'am, I am currently pursuing my BCom degree. Let me give me some guidance. How do I start my CSET preparations? I am not good in this thing, so BCom के बाद CSET, Pooja and Samisha, anyone can take up the question. आप लोगों में से कोई भी?
I'm sorry, I don't know about CSET. I have no idea, but personality development wala I can tell. So second part of the question, I'll just try to tell you. Personality development, ठीक है? क्या होता है personality? It's अगर तुम्हें अपना पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करना है, जो भी स्किल्स के बारे में मैंने और समीक्षा ने बताया, राइट, वो तुम पहले एक सर्च करो कि व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ स्किल दैट इज बेसिक या फिर हर जगह वो एप्लीकेबल होता है. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल हो गया, नेगोशिएशन स्किल हो गया, या फिर कैसे बात करना है, लोगों को अप्रोच कैसे करना है, नेटवर्किंग जो होता है ना कि आप बात कर रहे हो लोगों से और अपना नेटवर्क क्रिएट कर रहे हो, फ्रेंडशिप करना, ये सब चीजें जो होती हैं दैट इज वेरी, तुम्हें उसको वो गिवन नहीं होता है, तुमको उसको एनहांस करना पड़ता है. तो अगर कम्युनिकेशन की बात करें, यू कैन वॉच मूवीज. अगर इंग्लिश की बात करें स्पेसिफिक, तो तुम मूवीज देखो, बुक्स पढ़ो, तुम जो भी चीज कर रही हो ना उसको एनालाइज करो, राइट, कि तुम कैसे कर रही हो, तुम्हारा मेथड, एक अप्रोच होता है हर चीज का. तो हर स्किल के लिए एक डिफरेंट अप्रोच होगा. बेस्ड ऑन दैट तुम्हें जाना पड़ेगा वो चीज करने. अगर तुमको अपना नेटवर्किंग अच्छा करना है, एक तुम्हारे कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में ऐसे लोग होने चाहिए, मतलब वो डिफरेंट वेरियस टाइप ऑफ पीपल होने चाहिए. कोई डॉक्टर की डिग्री परस्यू कर रहा है, कोई लॉयर की डिग्री परस्यू कर रहा है, तुम खुद बीकॉम करना चाहती हो और आगे सीएस या जो भी करना है तुम्हें, तो वेरियस टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल यू हैव इन योर बैकग्राउंड या फिर इन योर नेटवर्क, राइट. उस हिसाब से तुम्हें एक कोई पर्टिकुलर मेथड नहीं होता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन ऑल्सो कि तुम कितना जल्दी पिकअप करते हो, राइट. तो इंग्लिश का अगर मैं बोलूँ कम्युनिकेशन वाइज एनहांस करने का, तो ये सब लोग बोलते हैं बुक्स पढ़ो, मूवीज पढ़ो, ये करो वो करो, बट अप्लाई कहाँ कर रहे हो तुम? सब कुछ अपने अंदर इनकैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, सब कुछ सारी बाहर के ज्ञान और इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हो और अंदर रख ले रहे हो, बस बाहर प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं कर रहे हो. ये सारे स्किल में यही होता है, ठीक है. लोग बोलते हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करो, क्या करो पर्सनालिटी डेवलप? अपने फ्रेंड से बात
आई विल
करो.
एग्री विद पूजा, क्योंकि ये हमारे में भी था, सीरियसली ये हम में भी था. हम ये सब करते थे, मतलब ये हमारा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. वी यूज्ड टू डू दिस थिंग्स. हम अभी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं क्यों? आखिर में ये जो बात है, ये हमारे टीचर्स ने हमको बोला कि भाई तुम सीखते हो, इट्स फाइन, बट यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट, राइट. तो ये पूजा, लाइक शी इज व्हाट टेलिंग, हम लोग में भी वही चीज था, तो वी डेवलप्ड इट, सो यू विल गेट दैट थिंग. एंड सीसेट वाला आई थिंक समीक्षा विल बी टेकिंग अप.
So here we have few questions regarding CA executive LLB कर सकते हैं या नहीं, या हम लोग BA in politicals के बाद MBA in finance कर सकते हैं या नहीं. So let me handle this one by one. एक तो CS executive के लिए, first thing in CS executive, it is the second level of the CS career if I'm not wrong. उसके बाद internship रहेगा 1 year. CS executive के लिए तुम्हें first thing is you all have to make up mind that yeah, I'll be ready to fail first thing, because it is not very easy to pass any professional exam, whether it is CA, whether it is CS, whether it is IC cost accounting, or whether it is chartered financial analyst. These are the some professional degrees that are there. So please make up your mind that if I fail, that I will do it next time. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Remember that. Don't crib and sit that yeah, I'll not be able to handle it. CS के लिए एक thing, make a proper schedule, and how you are going to study, it all depends on you. How you are going to learn the subject, it is all dependent on you. So we can't tell you that how to prepare for CS executive. It is how you are going to make a proper timetable where you're going to take a break. This is all dependent on you. So this is what I would like to tell CS executive के लिए. Second is BA LLB के LLB करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. You all can do. It is all again, it's all your choice of career, how you all want to see yourself in the 5 years of the line, how it is going to help in your prospect of your career, help you grow in the line. So y'all can do LLB, or if y'all are interested in any other career subject, be passionate about it. Not just don't do it for the heck of it. Just be passionate about what you're doing and how it will help you to grow. You should enjoy your work. That is the main funda of it here. Second is MBA ke liye, yeah, there are various exams that are necessary, that is CAT, MAT and all. You can Google it. There are various categories that are necessary to go for MBA exams. So entrance exams.
Just CAT.
Second,
Other exams
yeah,
which
yeah.
Samiksha told, there are many other exams also.
So
हाँ,
next
हाँ,
thing
Samiksha
is
continue.
BA politics के बाद MBA finance you can take. See, some of my friends, they are from a science background. Okay, they have done their BS in statistics and maths, or you can say some of them are from psychology background. But here in our college, they have opted for finance. One of my other friend also, she has done her BCom, but she has opted for data analytics as her MBA career. So your MBA gives you all the wide range of specialization that you all can opt after your graduation. It is open for everyone. MBA is one thing that is open for everyone. So you all can opt for any specialization.
See, you
Personality
just
के
need a
develop.
graduation, that's all. Any graduation
Yeah.
is fine.
So पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए पूजा ने ऑलरेडी बताया है कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So basic funda about this is whatever degree you're pursuing, whatever degree you want to pursue further or post graduation you want to pursue, make sure that you're passionate about it, how it is going to help you all, and where you're going to stand down your career line in the 5 years. So that should give a better exposure, and most importantly you all should be satisfied with what you're doing. It shouldn't be like ghar walon ne bola hai that I want to do that, I should be pursuing MBA in finance, then only I have to go. Just convince, you should have that convincing power as well as what you want to do in future.
एक
So
चीज I
It's
will
also
no
a skill,
degree,
by the way.
एक
no
चीज
Convincing
degree
is
is
also
good
a
or bad.
skill.
Every degree has its own advantages and disadvantages. It is up to y'all how you all take it. That's what I want to tell.
एक चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा फॉर अलका, एज शी हैज आस्क्ड कि एलएलबी अगर करना चाहे तो बेटर रहेगा. देयर इज अ सजेशन आई वुड लाइक टू गिव कि आप एलएलबी ना करके आप क्लैट एग्जाम होता है CLAT, आप क्लैट एग्जाम देके किसी कंपनी का एग्जीक्यूटिव लॉ मतलब हर कंपनी का एक लॉ फर्म होता है खुद के लिए, कि क्योंकि हर कंपनी में क्या होता है कि जो डील्स होते हैं, जो दूसरे कंपनी के साथ मर्जर्स होते हैं, सब कुछ एक लीगल प्रोसीजर होता है. It is an advice or a suggestion. You can check it on CLAT CLAT. CLAT का एग्जाम देने से आप LLB नहीं बट लॉ के अंडर ही आप क्या बोलते हैं, आप एक कॉर्पोरेट फर्म में काम कर सकते हो. और दूसरा बात ये हो जाता है कि आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज मिलता है, क्योंकि इफ यू सी ऑन अ सैलरी बेसिस ऑल्सो, आपको कोई कोर्ट में जाके वहां पे जाके कोई केस नहीं लड़ना पड़ेगा, बट आपको हर एक लीगल इशू हैंडल करना पड़ेगा जो कि पूरा कंपनी के ऊपर होता है. So that is one of the good options you can have. So we have some hand raised, so हम वो देखेंगे. First of all, let's see, we have Princey. Princey, you have your hand raised, so can you come up on mic or video so we can see? आपका question क्या है, please?
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning.
सर, जैसे कि मोस्टली लोग बोलते हैं कि जैसे कि हम MBA करते हैं तो मतलब जितने ज्यादा महंगा कॉलेज या फिर जितना हम उसमें इन्वेस्ट करेंगे उतना ही जाके हमको रिटर्न मिलेगा, मतलब उतनी अच्छा हमें कंपनी में जॉब मिलेगी, उतना अच्छा पैकेज मिलेगा. तो क्या मतलब ऐसा होता है? तो मतलब मोस्टली बच्चे जो फाइनेंशियली इतने अच्छे नहीं होते तो उसी डर से नहीं करते हैं MBA की, मतलब फीस भी ज्यादा रहती है और पता नहीं क्या जॉब का भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है.
Okay, so ये
So
मैं
I'll just answer this.
Okay.
So one thing.
दोनों कर लो आंसर.
Okay,
Yeah,
so मैं स्टार्ट दूंगा, देन समीक्षा ऐड कर लेना. सो प्रिंसी, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं
sure.
है, तो क्योंकि ये एक तरीके से क्या होता है, आपके कॉलेज के ऊपर कंप्लीटली डिपेंड नहीं करता. जैसे कि ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन समीक्षा एंड पूजा ने ये एम्फसाइज किया ना कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो. जैसे कि I will be true to you. मेरे I have been from a mediocre college. Okay, मेरा कॉलेज का पैकेजेस हाईएस्ट पैकेज 12 लाख तक आया था. बट व्हाट आई डिड, मैं बाहर से भी ट्राई किया, क्योंकि आप ऑफ कैंपस भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है कि आप अगर फाइनेंशियली बैक हो तो आपको कोई हायर कॉलेज में ही जाना पड़ेगा फॉर अ गुड एजुकेशन. बट हाँ, आप जिस कॉलेज में जा रहे हो, देखिए आपको ये तो लिबर्टी मिलेगा कि आप वहाँ के सीनियर से, यहाँ के वहाँ पे करंट स्टूडेंट से आप बात कर सकते हो, यू कैन इंटरेक्ट. तो उस कॉलेज के बारे में आप जानिए पहले कि वो कॉलेज कैसा है. अगर आपका वहाँ का फीस अगर आपको फिजिबल लगता है कि हाँ मैं वहाँ पे पे कर सकता हूँ या फिर कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन टेक अप दैट कॉलेज, तो आप वो देखिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक कॉलेज में जाने के लिए. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल वहाँ के स्टूडेंट से बात कीजिए, क्योंकि देखिए आप लोगों को खुद भी पता है आपका कॉलेज कैसा है. आप लोगों से बेहतर हमें जो फीडबैक अगर लेनी है तो आई कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम यू गाइज, राइट. सो आपको ये प्रोसीडियर होता है. तो आपका क्वेश्चन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई बड़ा कॉलेज हो तो अच्छे कंपनीज आएंगे और मुझे अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, या फिर कॉलेज ज्यादा मतलब फाइनेंशियली ज्यादा नहीं है उसका फीस तो वहां पे अच्छा कंपनीज नहीं आएंगे. हो सकता है आपको कंपैरेटिवली कम मिले, बट ऑफ कैंपसिंग अगर आप गए तो आपको अच्छा पैकेज मिल सकता है, क्योंकि ये खुद के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप कितना स्किलफुल है. समीक्षा, यू वांट टू ऐड?
That's what I wanted to say, Shubhankar, that yeah, it is all dependent on your skills, not that हाँ अगर हम लोग क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी या IIM में जाएंगे तो हमें बहुत जस्ट अ मिनट, माय कनेक्शन इज अनस्टेबल हियर. सो बट व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल इज हर कॉलेज में और उनको लो पैकेज मिलता ही है. So it's not all on your college, it's all on your skills and how you're going to develop, and most importantly the connections that we are making. So I just want to give one advice to you all. अगर किसी के पास LinkedIn account नहीं है तो LinkedIn account बना लो, because it will help you all to get in touch with various professionals. आप किसी भी प्रोफेशनल के साथ कनेक्ट होके बात कर सकते हैं. तो जिसके पास भी LinkedIn अकाउंट नहीं है वो LinkedIn अकाउंट खोल लीजिए, because this is meant for the people who are going to find a job. It's a professional social networking site. So that is why.
Okay, so
this is what this.
Please. Okay, so हम लोग अपने we are in the last 5 minutes of our session. So we have one more hands raised out, I guess. We have Niharika. Niharika, can you please come up? And I hope, Princey, we have answered your question quite well, I guess so.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure. Okay, so next up we have, so it is 5 minutes. We have Niharika. Niharika Singh, can you please come up on video or audio?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, as I want to pursue for MBA in event management, so
Okay.
I've been going through the eligibility criteria of some of the colleges and institutions, and they are like they organize their aptitude test on their own, like other than MAT and CAT. I have to give their aptitude test, and they are preferencing the student who have the work experience. I do have some work experience, but they are not related to event management. And when I go to work for some event management internships, they are also asking for experience. So what should I do? Like, I can get some experience before I start applying for the colleges, so my chances will be better.
हाँ निहारिका, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं होता कि आपको जिस फील्ड में जाना है, जिस फील्ड में MBA करना है, उसमें जॉब एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए होगा. जैसे कि समीक्षा ने पॉइंट आउट किया दैट उसकी एक दोस्त थी बीकॉम से बट बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स कर रही है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज, आई एम अ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट. बिजनेस एनालिस्ट कंप्लीटली फाइनेंस से अलग होता है. वो होता है कि आपको एनालाइज करना पड़ता है हर डोमेन में. इट कैन बी मार्केटिंग, इट कैन बी फाइनेंस, एनीथिंग. तो ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है निहारिका कि आपको उसी जॉब में कहीं पे आपको मतलब एक्सपीरियंस होना पड़ेगा. हाँ, अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस है दैट वुड हैव बीन एन एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज. तो ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है आपके लिए, या फिर ऐसा कोई कुछ नहीं है कॉलेज में जाके कि आपको उसमें ही मतलब इफ यू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस इन फाइनेंशियल फर्म्स तो आप फाइनेंस में जा सकते हो, मार्केटिंग में नहीं जा सकते. ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. एंड इफ एनीवन, समीक्षा, पूजा, इफ यू कैन ऐड एनीथिंग.
Coming to this experience part ना, I also used to think कि अरे experience लोग को ज़्यादा advantage होता है, वो लोग को ज़्यादा preference मिलता है. There is little bit advantage, but अगर तुम MBA करोगी अभी तो यू विल बी इन द पैरेलल लाइन विद एवरीवन. जीरो एक्सपीरियंस, ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस. हमारे भी कॉलेज में few people had experience in different sectors which they had pursued. तो out of MBA के बाद, MBA खत्म होने के बाद you will get various opportunities. ठीक है, तो it depends कि तुम वो जो ड्यूरेशन है ना MBA का, उसमें तुम अपने आप को कितना और बेहतरीन करती हो, राइट? तो जितना तुम और बढ़िया करोगे अपने आप को, और तुम्हारा तो टारगेट ही सेट है यार, तो वो तो और सबसे बेस्ट चीज वो है कि तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें क्या करना है, और तुम खोज भी रही हो वेरियस अदर. तुम बोले कि तुम्हें इंटर्नशिप, मतलब तुम खोजी हो, तुम देखी, तुम अप्लाई की बहुत से जगह, तो कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस. अगर तुमको कुछ इंटर्नशिप ऐसा कुछ मिलता है देन टेक इट अप. डोंट स्टॉप ट्राइंग. अगर कुछ तुमको वर्क फ्रॉम होम जैसा कुछ मिल सकता है, या फिर तुमको कोई इंटर्नशिप अगर मिल रही है, ग्रैब इट अप. बट उसके लिए पहले MBA पे, इफ यू वांट टू डू MBA, तो उस पे फोकस करो. अलॉन्ग विद दैट साइड में तुमको कुछ करना है, कोई प्रोजेक्ट लेना है, या फिर तुमको खुद का कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो डिपेंड करता है तुम कितना प्लान करके चल रहे हो आगे अहेड.
I would like to add on to Pooja's point here. One thing, Niharika, अगर तुम MBA in event management कर रहे हो, so be prepared that there are various events that are going to happen in MBA colleges, which will give you a good exposure. So be ready to handle those events. So this will give you a good hands-on experience in college itself. Because we know that in MBA various events are held that will give us a good exposure. So we used to handle those events. We as a students used to handle those events. So we know how to handle any situation and how to plan the event. So this in the college itself will give you a good experience to organize an event. So along with college, as Pooja said, take up any internship you can. But mainly if you're doing MBA, just focus on it. And if you get an opportunity, just grab it. That's all.
Okay, so we have last 2 minutes. Any more questions? Agar aapka question hai, we can grab it, or we can get it offline also. If you want,
Sir?
we can share about. Yeah, sure, please.
Sir, actually, I'm not student of MBA, but
Okay.
whatever you taught us really very nice. So it's my request, please make a session for UPSC student also.
Okay, we'll have a talk with your Anurag sir, and we'll see to that. Sure, we will just take up on that. Thank you for your feedback. And if
Thank you so
want,
much. Sir. Really, I don't know what is MBA, nothing, but
okay.
today I know, okay, it's MBA. So it's request, please make a session for UPSC also.
I would like to answer Ruchi Tiwari's question in small thing. Firstly, Ruchi, hats off to you for attempting the UPSC exam and preparing for it at a very small age. Because I was preparing for UPSC exam, but I couldn't complete it. I was more passionate about MBA and organizing the things, management things. So UPSC, it's all about how you're going to. Can I know what your question is, please?
Ma'am, actually, just I want guideline.
Achha. They want just a guideline, like a separate session on how we to pursue.
One thing is so one thing is UPSC is covering about all the subjects, right? Whether it is sociology, technology, economics, finance, marketing, everything. It is covering all the India's Indian subjects that are related to India, political views. So just be perfect with all those subjects, and most importantly, current affairs. So there are some magazines that are there as is.
Samiksha, please, when you stop.
Yeah, sure. Pooja, continue.
Okay, there's one app, Unacademy. I hope you have heard about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Unacademy, yes. You can go. Roman Sahani है ना, IS officer था.
Yes.
हाँ, तो I have seen his material, बहुत तगड़ा material है उसका Unacademy पे. देखो मैंने ना पूरा research किया था. एक जमाने में I used to think यार मैं भी UPSC करूँगी, but one thing was that is different thing. But देखो research कोई भी तुम सब लोग जितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, whatever you want to do, Google है यार, बस one click away है. Just type whatever you want to do, उसका syllabus देखो, आगे क्या उसका पर्सपेक्टिव है, जो हमने भी जो तुम्हें बताया है ना कि हमने भी रिसर्च किया है, तभी we could present you all the things that we have presented, right? तो जो भी तुम्हें सर्च करना है, जो भी तुम्हें जानना है, तो तुम पूछो लोगों से, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट, बट तुम गूगल करके एक थोड़ा बेस बना लो अपना कि तुम्हें पता हो कि चलो तुम क्लैट बोल रहे हो तो उसमें क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं, तुम CS बोल रहे हो तो उसमें क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं. तो देयर इज नो हार्म इन जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू सम लिटिल बिट रिसर्च. इन डेप्थ जानना है देन यू कैन फिर वही लोगों से कांटेक्ट करो और ट्राई टू फाइंड समवन हु इज ऑलरेडी इन दैट फील्ड. ये तुम लिंक्डइन से कर सकते हो. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेलिंग यू गाइस टू मेक अ अकाउंट ऑन लिंक्डइन. वो बहुत हेल्प करेगा तुम लोगों को.
Okay, so
Yeah.
बात ये है, we are out of time now. We have to wrap up the session. So अगर आपका कोई दूसरा question भी है या कैसा लगा आपको, we can share our email IDs and you can put up the questions there. So is it okay for you all?
Yes.
Okay, then
Yes, sir.
chat section में we three will be sharing our personal email IDs and you can put up the questions there so that we can take up offline because we are in short of time now.
It was a very interactive session, guys. Thanks for coming up with such a wonderful questions. And even we got to learn something from y'all. Something new about our careers that we can explore.
Yes. So thank you all for ये session attend करने के लिए and hope all the best for your next whatever endeavors you want to pursue. आप next जो भी pursue करना चाहते हैं, just last and the last but not the least, एक चीज जो तीनों की तरफ से एक ही मैसेज, आप जो भी करना चाहते हो उसके बारे में सर्च कीजिए. आपको लोगों से भी पता चलेगा. MBA बोलिए, UPSC बोलिए, कोई भी फील्ड हो आपको पता चलेगा. बट गूगल सच बात है, the much you Google, the much आप रिसर्च करेंगे आपको उतना अच्छा मिलेगा.
बट सब एक रिसर्च में एक
हाँ.
वेबसाइट पे मत जाना. गो थ्रू वेरियस वेबसाइट. थोड़ा टाइम दो, तुम्हारी लाइफ की बात है, राइट? तो जस्ट गिव इट अ टाइम.
Yeah.
अच्छे से रिसर्च करो. ये मेरे को मेरे भैया ने बोला था, ठीक है? दैट्स व्हाई आई डिड लॉट्स ऑफ रिसर्च. तब मैंने जाके MBA लिया. आई वाज आल्सो हाईली कंफ्यूज लाइक ऑल ऑफ यू आर कि क्या करना चाहिए आफ्टर 12th. वी ऑल वर. सब एक जैसे एक ही पोजीशन पे एक टाइम पे होते हैं. बट हाउ यू आर हैंडलिंग आगे, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू.
One more thing I would like to add, सब लोग तो social networking site पे होंगे ना, Facebook, Instagram. Just one thing you all can do is
तो पहले अकाउंट बनाए होंगे ना.
just log into the newspapers that are there, newspaper pages. It will be very handful for you all and will get a current affairs how it will be. Trust me guys, it's very useful. If you are not habituated to read the newspaper, you all can at least do this. So that one thing I would like to tell you all.
Chalo, so it was really a wonderful session with you guys. So thank you all. Thank you Samiksha, thank you Pooja for being here. So thank you and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir and ma'am.
All the best, guys.
If you have any queries, please write to us. We'll try to just answer your queries. जो भी
Sure.
होगा, ठीक है? जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, just mail us.